Hello, everybody. This is Julie D from NordoniaHills.news, and welcome to Jabbering with Julie. Hello. First of all, what do you think of this? Macedonia looks so nice with their flower baskets, and the village does too. I think it adds a little something to our community. And of course, the flags. It's a nice look. Anyways, thought I would start the show with something nice. But as usual, we have a lot going on in town. So let's get right to it. First of all, the very first thing I want to show you is not on my computer here. Well, anyways, what a way to start the show, right? The school board, I'll have a link to the video down in the description, but they're proposing a bond issue on the ballot in the fall. And I was going to give you the dollar amount. Number one, you probably already seen it. You already know. But I don't have the dollar amount in front of me. So, but anyways, the information is in the link down below. And the link obviously is to the school board meeting from last Monday. And that is causing a lot of discussions around town, as you can imagine. So that was the very first thing on my agenda. Now, the second thing is something we just put out today on our Facebook page, and I believe, we're going to be putting it out on our other pages soon. It's a project that I've been wanting to do for a while, something that can unite our community, which is always something that's a good thing. Again, we try to be positive here as much as possible. And it's kind of like a We Are the World kind of thing. I want to do this project, a video commercial for the Nordonia area. And the music will be provided by Nordonia Talent. Video produced by a, we're going to do a video commercial for the Nordonia area. And obviously it'll be with a Nordonia song. And I want to use a local Nordonia production studio called Invasion Studio. Invasion? My goodness, I am really off my track today. But that's kind of a new thing. I mean, not a new thing for me. Let me just get the name of it right here. So we're going to use Nordonia Talent. So this is kind of like a call for talent. So we're going to do a video and have a unique Nordonia song to go with it. Let's see here. Yeah, it's called Invasion Studios, and it is in Sagamore, I believe. It's in one of those areas that you'd think might be Norfolk Center, but anyways, it's Invasion Studios. I'll have a link to their studio down below too, so you can learn more about them. But anyways, maybe someone who sings, or someone who plays guitar, or has some kind of musical talent that could be added to the video. We're also looking for some maybe local trustees or council people or mayors or anybody that wants to be involved in the video. Obviously, we're not going to be able to have everybody who says, yay, include me. But we're putting the word out for all the things and all the people that we're going to need for this project. And now this is just a little secret I'm going to say on the show. I may not say this, in print anywhere. This could be a musical EP. We could actually do more than one song. So that's just a little hint. This could be the beginning of a bigger project. And I mentioned We Are the World. I would like to have this benefit a local charity. We're not going to name the charity yet. So maybe even get a lot of voices together, even for one part of the video, kind of like the We Are the World video. And because no matter where you are, We are the world. And, a little group of people can make a big difference. I do believe that. And what else do I want to tell you about that project? I'll have a link where you can send us a message and say that you want to help in some way. So obviously, there's going to be some fees. The production studio is going to get paid for this, but the rest of the proceeds would go to the charity. So we are looking for sponsors or anybody that wants to put in money. We will put out a link, if you want to get involved and you want to donate to the charity. Obviously, once we name the charity. So yeah, there's not going to be many. We're not going to have a lot of other expenses, just studio fees. And obviously they're being really reasonable because they think this is a wonderful project too. So anyways, I know you know somebody that can help us in some way. I know you do. I know you. All right. So that's the new thing I just put out today. Also wanted to let you know that the Longwood Manor is having an open house this coming Sunday, July 30th from 1 to 4 p.m. You can tour the home of Colonel William Frew Long, the first mayor of Macedonia. This Tudor Style Revival home was originally built in 1926 as a summer cottage and underwent a major renovation in 1948 when it became his permanent residence. Members of the Longwood Manor Historical Society will be present to greet you, tour the property, and answer any questions. Admission is free. In case you don't know where the manor house is, it's not far from the Longwood Park. It's to the east of it on 82. But again, I'll have the information down below, and I am going to try to be there. Julie D is going to try to be there with any luck. Sometimes I plan on being here, and then I end up over there. You just never know about me. Also, I wanted to let you know that Norfield Village is having a community garage sale. I always have a problem with my throat when I'm talking to you. It's the 20th, so it's a Saturday and Sunday. And right now they're still accepting applications. So, and then I believe they'll have a list so you can find out where all the garage sales are. Again, you have the garage sales at your home. They'll just provide information to people like you who want to go see and buy stuff. I'll have a link for the application down below, and also kind of that'll also remind you about it in case you would like to go. Macedonia is having a Touch the Truck event coming up. And where is it? These things always hide from me. You know that's a thing with me for sure. So the Touch a Truck thing is Thursday, August 11th, 5 to 8. And they're not going to have any sirens or horns. And it's going to be at the Macedonia Rec Center, not far from the Manor House. So if you're interested in that, again, I'll have the information down below. And Norfield Center, in case you don't know about this, they are building a new service center. I have a picture. Ta-da! So this is the side view of it. So the fire department is going to be on, let's see, I'm not exactly sure what side. The fire department will be here. The township offices, so they will no longer use the town hall. And the police department will all be housed in one building. The building they're hoping to finish it by late fall. They've got a really good start on it. You can't really tell so much from the picture, but it is a large building, and they're really making a lot of great progress on it. So we're putting a story together for this too, for more information about the project. We have a lot of stories going on this week. So the newspaper deadline is Friday if you're looking to run an ad or want to submit something to us. Another article that we're working on, the Veterans Memorial project, is going well. The latest thing they're adding to their memorial is restrooms. So that'll be really nice if you're visiting there with the kids, and the kids always have to go. So that project is moving along very nicely, and we're going to have a nice story about that as well. And let's get some information about Burlington. So the new Burlington's open. So this is a brand new entrance, in case you haven't been following this story. Right over here is Petco, and this opening here was not here before. This was kind of like where the Burlington area started, and then all the way they took up like 4 times the space. Obviously retail is so different these days, so they reduced the footprint of their store severely. It's like I think they only take up 1/4 of the area, or maybe even less, just what they need now. This way they're not using, having space that's not being utilized correctly. And everything is all brand new and shiny. And I like shiny things. So I went in and took a picture. So if you walk in to the left, you can see a bunch of purses, and that's when they have their carts. And then looking the other way, so you see, that's all it is, that and that. It's a very small area, and everything is brand new. And obviously they're hiring. You'll have to go check it out. And the other location, I don't know if I have a picture of that in here. I don't believe so. But the other storefront that they used before is now empty. In fact, I might be able to find that for you. The other section, oh yeah, here it is. So this is where the opening was, where the Burlington store was before. So this is going to be a new store of some kind. Not exactly sure what it is. There's been some rumors out there, but it hasn't been officially announced yet. So, but this will go to another business. And this is really a similar thing what happened across the street. AT&T reduced their store footprint by half, I believe, and Wayback Burger was able to come in. So this is kind of like a way to bring in more businesses without adding on, although we do have a lot of buildings being constructed for new restaurants and such, but not all new businesses have to have a new building. Sometimes another building can scoosh over and make some room, which is nice. Especially since, the retail industry or atmosphere or whatever you want to call it is totally different now. And speaking of restaurants, so I was driving around today, and the Tuscan Vine sign is now up. So just to refresh your memory, this is in Sagamore Hills. This used to be the Loose Moose, and they're going to be opening soon as an Italian restaurant. I can taste the meatballs already. I do like some good spaghetti. So we'll see what they do. But anyways, they're just waiting on some paperwork. They will be open soon, and you can bet we'll have the information out for you. That's for sure. So I'm looking forward to that. And now on the front of the building where 7 to 7 was, that is going to be a Greek restaurant. Down the line, they're going to get this open first, and then get the other location up and running. So in one area, actually the same building, you'll have a choice of Italian or Greek. Either way, a lot of olive oil will be used. That is for sure. And the last thing is Mary Jane and I did another video, but I also want to remind you, we don't really have much time. This Saturday, July 30th, as it says right here, we are going to have a seance. I will be there. Mary Jane will be there. She will actually be conducting this seance. I'm just like her little apprentice, her not apprentice, really, her assistant. But anyways, we only have a few spots left. Only 10 are being I can't say invited because I mean, we're not inviting people. People can come. So we have 10 slots that were originally available, and I think we're down to 3 left. So we already have 7 people coming, and who knows, maybe as I'm speaking to you, we may not even have any left, but I haven't gotten anything recently from Mary Jane. But anyways, it's a sacred seance, and it's to empower women. It's not, we're not worshiping the devil or anything. It's just all very sacred. And we'll be looking for messages maybe from, from beyond. If you ever want to be in a seance, involved in a seance, this is your chance. Her cottage is located in West Salem, which is about 45 minutes from Macedonia area. It's a very secluded area. Well, I mean, not totally secluded. There's things around there, but it's out in a quiet area and farming area. I was there last month, and it was really very, very peaceful out there. Let's see, what more can I say about that? I'll have information where you can sign up for that. Oh, yes. So we've been doing, Mary Jane and I have been doing lots of videos, and a recent one, she explained the difference between a medium and a channeler, and more information about the seance. We're also going to be doing another video this week where Mary Jane kind of explains how she got into the whole spiritual world. Because I knew her years ago where, she didn't know she had this gift, and it's been evolving over time. Anyways, so I was trying to keep it short today. Sorry I didn't get with you guys yesterday. I was hanging out with family out in Kingsville. So anyways, I won't keep you anymore, but I'm looking out for you, and I'm looking out for positive stories to bring you. And I hope you're having a great summer. I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.